Hey, nah, bro. Nah, man. Nah, bro. Hey, look what you did to me, bro. You took my hair out, bro. You gotta fix that, dog. I swear, dog. You gotta fix that, dog.
What I gotta do?
Dog, you gotta fix my hair, bro.
What I gotta do, bro?
Dog, you gotta do something, man. Put me on somebody to get my hair to grow back, bro.
I don't know how to make your hair grow, bro.
Man,
I got one person, though. I got my sister.
Who you got, bro? I need my hair done, bro.
I got my sister, bro.
Okay, fine. We finna get this done. Action.
Hey, what y'all arguing about in here?
Man, this man gotta get my hair right, bro. He told me you could do it. You could fix it.
I got you.
All right, okay. All right. Let's see what you got.
No cap, but it's gonna get you right out here.
Let's see what you got, bro. Okay.
Spray on this real quick.
Okay.
I gotta line you the spot up.
Okay. This right here feel good already, man. Like she knows she's doing, bro. I don't know what speed. I mean, Busco that did, man. The world going on.
Got you. Put this on you for a quick second.
All right. Yeah.
Let this spray sit for about 10 minutes.
All right, 10 minutes.
I'll be right back.
All right, be right back then. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm ready to get this off, man. It's hot. It's hot, man. You done?
I forgot to blow on your jump, man.
Man, please, you need to do something. I'm ready to get out of here. I gotta go. It don't take that much to grow that little hair back.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't need for that little hair. What you use though?
Boost
your hair growth?
Yeah.
So why I gotta stick on? Oh my God, y'all gonna.
Hey, that don't work, bro. That don't work.
Let me see the mirror. I need to see what's going on.
I'm telling you, that don't work.
It grew like that? What? What though? Oh my God.
I told you, bro. That junk fire, bro. Your junk done grew back, bro.
God.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Y'all on back. It's your boy. You hear me? Shaq Diesel. And I'm back with another video. See, look, man, I got my machine out today. Well, that's the plug. Let me show y'all the machine. We're gonna fix this code on this Impala. This is my machine, man. OBI EBOD. Little crafted thing, man. $56. Bought it about 8 years ago. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug it up in this thing right here. Y'all see that slot? Plug it up like so. We're gonna put this thing in our hand here on our lap. We're gonna turn the key on to the on position like that, not cranking it. And we're gonna check these codes. So let me get it where I can see too. So we're gonna hit enter and see what this code come up. It's a code found 1. So we're gonna hit enter again. We're gonna say read code number 1. We're gonna hit enter, engine, enter, and then there's code P2127. Throttle pedal positional sensor. Switch E circuit low. It says 2. So the second one said the same thing. So I bought the throttle pedal. I'm gonna remove this one, the one up under here, and move this carpet out the way. All right, so I'm gonna move this carpet back like so. Fold it down. We're gonna move this pedal. We're gonna move that pedal, man. And I bought a new pedal, so we're gonna see. And then put y'all on the ground. Like I said, I bought a new pedal, man, my last video, if y'all watched it. I bought a whole box from Advance, ordered a lot of stuff, so here's the new pedal. There's the new pedal. We're gonna flip this camera and do it like this. So if y'all looking for this pedal for the 2006 Chevy Impala, that's the code. This is the one I'm finna use. So I'm finna see what this works. If it works, yay. If it don't work, I'm gonna be pissed. So we're gonna try this, man. We're gonna try this right quick. I think I'm gonna take the battery cable off, one of them. Unplug the computer so I know what the code is. Take the battery cable off. Unplug. Take that pedal out. I'll be back with y'all. I'm finna go ahead and go and replace this acceleration pedal. First, we're gonna get the pedal box out the box. Make sure it's in the box. I'm not finna rip it with my hand because I got old Boxy. Y'all know what Boxy is? Boxy is a box blade. So they were designed for it. It's for to cut this stuff open. Why mess up my pretty hands? Why? Tell me why. You know my hands ain't pretty. I don't know why I said that, but always cut away from me too. I did some dangerous stuff there, then cutting toward me, but we just trying to get the job done. All right, this is what you want to see in this box is this pedal. You want to see this pedal, new pedal. Like I said, I bought the other pedal 2 years ago. Maybe it's bad. They said the sensor go bad on these things a lot, but easy fix, y'all. Easy fix. Tell y'all on the tools we need. On the tools we need. Show y'all the only tools we need is get down here real low. Let me see you get down low. Let me see now. Let me see you get. Y'all get me singing and everything in the camera. But anyway, gonna get it up here higher. We're gonna do it like that. That okay with y'all? Let me drop the camera down a little bit lower. And we got action now, y'all. We got action. Matter of fact, let me see, can I widen it up too much? Let me let y'all see a little closer. All right, that's all you're gonna need is a 10mm socket. And I got my ratchet. My old ratchet datchy. That's what Thomas say. Him and Jordan Sideways Production. Y'all go subscribe to Sideways Production. Show them some love. But here we go. We're gonna put this thing in reverse. See that hammer? Reverse, and we're gonna pull this pedal on out. I lost a little sunlight just then. Let me give y'all some light. There's one down. That's two. One for the money, two for the show. Get my boats out, lay them right here where I can see them. Don't never put them when you can't see them, because you want to put them back. So you got those two where you can see them. Like I said, these two right here. Put them where we can see them. We're going to pull this pedal down like that. So this is what we're going to do too, y'all. We're going to get y'all in here with me. Get in here close. So we got that pedal down. We're going to pull this yellow tab. Silver tab. Get this steering wheel out my way. I'm gonna tell y'all something, man, about these kids. They don't come help unless you gotta tell them. You gotta always, hey man, come on, help me do this, man. You do this, man. You didn't tell me. You gotta tell them every time to do something. When I was growing up, people took the initiative. Like we had to take the initiative. My daddy would beat our butt. If he outside, he want you outside. But the generation different, man. Discipline is different too. All right, here we go. But back to the main thing. I'm gonna pull this. I'm trying to bring y'all with me, but I'm putting myself in a spot where I can't do it. All right, y'all see it now. Pull this tab. Gotta push it in. Matter of fact, let me go get me a screwdriver. I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back on my flat blade screwdriver. And what I'm gonna do, I gotta get this cushion out of the way first. It keep falling in the way. Gotta get this tab loose. There you go, that's out. And then when you get that tab out, you can just pull that tab out. I don't know what I think. You gotta squeeze it out after this. I can't get my arms in here. I'm so tall, man. All right, that's out. Just like that. So now that we got the old pedal out, I'm gonna put it on top of the car so y'all can see. Now that we got the old pedal out, like I said, just this thing on the two years old. So the sensor going bad that fast, something wrong. They should be able to refund me my money back or something. Yeah, you can tell the thing still new. But here's the new one. The one I just bought. So look at that, man. They the same. They I don't understand that though. But I hope it works. If not, they're gonna have to get my money back. They're gonna have to. Somebody installed this pedal right here, man, the new one. And that's the new one because it's clean. So we're gonna install this one and see what it does. See what it get the power back, because it can lose power sometimes. And that is dangerous. So we're gonna snap that. We're gonna snap this harness back in and get some light. There will be light. There it is. So we're gonna snap this harness back in first. Snap this harness back in first. That was too quick, tab. Tab came back in too fast. We'll pop the tab back up. All right, tab back up out the way. We're gonna snap it. Let me get all the stuff out y'all way. Cause like, man, we ain't seen that. We only seen it. We don't know what you were doing. You could have paid somebody to do that. Probably paid somebody to do that. You just make it seem like it's you doing. But anyway, I be hearing it all, dog, on my Facebook and all that. People be coming and everything, so I don't know if it be hate or slight motivation. All right, new pillar up, so we can put our ratchet on it. 10mm socket. Turn to the forward position. We just go to the right. Left it loosey, right it. All right, left it loosey, right it tighty. All right. That's it. So now we're gonna put our carpet back up under there. Matter of fact, gonna push the carpet now. Took it up on the seam. Cause if you don't do it now, it'll never be done. All right. That's it. We're gonna clear this cold. We're gonna clear the cold real quick, and then we're gonna start it up and drive it around. So since I'm gonna do all that, let me put this stuff to the side. Go around, see if she got any power. I hope that's the problem, bro. I get tired of spending money, throwing away money. So one thing you can do is go by these codes on these newer cars. That's why I like old cars. You can just put gas and fuel and go. The electronic stuff, you don't keep buying a new car. If you got a new car now, let me clear this code. If you got a new car now And you gotta take it to a shop. And if you got a new car now and it go bad, you want a new car, you gotta get another new car. So we're gonna check this thing. I be talking to code all the time, man. So if you ain't understanding, what I mean is read code first. Engine. All right, say throttle position, sensor, same 2 codes. So now we're gonna exit back out. Go down to previous menu. We're gonna go to erase code. We're gonna hit enter. Enter trouble code. Are you sure? Yes. We sure. And then key to continue. All right, we're done. So what we're gonna do is unplug it. Unplug it like that. Short. My ash ankle. We're gonna turn the switch back off for about 2-3 seconds, and then we're gonna start it up. The engine light went off. Let's see if all the other lights gonna go on. Drop the steering wheel. All the lights are off now. We're gonna give it a 15-16 minute run. He said 45. I do that later because we're going somewhere, so I'm gonna put some gas in it, and I'll just come back and do that later. But right now we're gonna see what does it do. Reverse. Back out this yard. Y'all hit me a little back though. I know the Tahoe back there, so y'all make sure I don't hit it. If you're with me, don't make sure I hit it, okay? All right, I missed. So we out the yard. I'm gonna turn this around, 'cause I know y'all tired looking at my face. And then we're gonna see. Uh-oh. Houston, we have power. Houston, we have power. Left my wallet. Could have gone and put gas in here now, but I ain't got my wallet. So all the lights off right now. We're gonna see, because usually it'll come on by the time you drive 5-6 minutes. I ain't finna pull out in front of these cars, because if this thing stall out, they gonna hit me. They gonna hit me. All right, let's see what's up. Got a little too much get up now. Hey y'all, I believe it was the pedal. I believe it was the pedal, y'all, because this thing got power now. It ain't never used to smash out like this. It ain't never used to smash out. You know, before it did, then it stopped. Houston, I think we got power. Yeah, I think we got power. So what I'm gonna do, turn around, and I'm gonna see what it do. Oh, that's a donkey. That's so nice. I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna smash it out from a dig and see what it do. Not racing, but because it's front wheel drive, the car ain't gonna beat nobody. Beat your pockets and beat a ticket in your pocket. You know, beat a ticket on yourself. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I only, knocking on wood, staying blessed, I only had a seatbelt ticket my whole life. Seatbelt ticket. So, that's a blessing, man. All in one. So what I'm gonna do is turn around. Well, I only had one seatbelt ticket. Matter of fact, one ticket in my whole life was seatbelt. So if somebody pull me over, some they just trying to be funny. But now I'm gonna turn around, y'all, right here. With the famous, this is one of my other good stores too. Tractor Supply. I like Tractor Supply. They got some good stuff. They got some 3100 for a utility trailer. No. 1900 for a little small lawnmower trailer. No. 800 for that little trailer. No. But that'll work though. If you got the bin, go ahead and get you one. But they said they hiring. They ain't $25 an hour. I ain't going. But I'm finna definitely mash it out when I get to the light, since ain't no cars coming. Dang, I'm just trying to let the light turn green. So they coming now, so I'm gonna wait. But I think they fixed the problem though. I really do. So what I do is, since ain't no car coming that way, and I only got one car coming this way, I'm just gonna smash out. It's the best time to smash out. Look at that power, look. Speed. Your car was not doing this just yesterday. That was the problem. That was the freaking problem. And who knows, man? Am I a mechanic or I'm a mechanic? Am I a mechanic or am I a mechanic? I ain't a mechanic, y'all. Be honest with you. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a part changer. I'm the type of dude, for real, if I see it, if I see how to take it off and I do it myself, I can't have nobody standing around, man, you should do it that way, and all that. That throws me off. But if I'm doing it myself and see the way it come off, I can put it back. I got that kind of power. I'm very talented. Y'all seen how I cut my own hair? You got some people go to the barbershop, can't cut hair this good. And I did it myself. Just pat myself on the shoulder. Don't nobody else give me a pat on the back. Sometimes you gotta love yourself, man. People say they love you, they don't love you. They love you, but they don't love you like you love yourself. Made it back home that fast, y'all. But that was the problem. So what we gonna do is we got an event this afternoon. My partner's birthday blast. Well, when y'all see this video, actually, when y'all see this video, it's the day after the party. Because I'm gonna post a video about that. Y'all watch the video, so y'all know. So I'm finna go in here, do my thing, order me a few more items while I got a little extra cash. I'm gonna show y'all my casino winning soon. I don't want to show y'all that right now because I got new, fresh subscribers on my channel. I don't want them to think that's what my channel is about. This channel is about positivity, doing it your own way, making money any means necessary. If $40 and $50 ain't no money to you, give it to me. You hear me? Cash out me. So this my channel to show you how to get a little money to put in your pocket daily, little money to keep in your pocket weekly, do your own work, save a lot of money. This is my channel about inspiration, love, and friendliness. That's all I care in my soul. So if you come in this channel looking for drama or anything and try to do some, or you know, if my channel boring you, you really picked the wrong channel. Tell you the truth, you picked the wrong channel. I can't bring that because I'm too positive, man. I'm more godly than you think. But anyway, man, I'm done. I'm gonna get in here. Video a little bit too long for this. I'm gonna work on another project, which is this right here. So I got some content all week long if you want to just watch me. If you don't, you look for big wheels and all that, I ain't got that yet. I can show y'all real quick that I do have them, but it'll defeat the purpose. Might have somebody breaking in my house. So let me go ahead and do what I gotta do. That was a tutorial of putting the acceleration cable on the 06 Impala, and it works properly. I actually keep doing the wrong thing. I keep going backwards every time I do these videos. I should show y'all the drive and show you when it shut down. It usually don't do it all the time. It do it like once a month or something like that, once every other month, but it might do it at the wrong time. So it probably wouldn't have did it on the video, no way. But when it drive, you could drive and then it'll lose power and you can't go no more than 45 miles per hour. I'm talking about you can have it to the floor or whatever. You won't be able to do 45 or better. So that's what it was doing. But then you can get off the gas for a little while, let it coast, and then mash it to start back driving. It is too dangerous. Tim go everywhere. It's just dangerous. So it was time to change it, and I see that was a problem. But I'm going to tell y'all this. I'm out. You hear me? Shaq Diesel, Shaq Diesel, Shaq Diesel. All right, y'all. Y'all see I'm doing 80 on I-85, heading to Selma. No lights. No lights. I gotta get gas though. Y'all see that ass? I gotta get some gas. I'm gonna get some gas in Montgomery, but heading to this birthday, my homeboy birthday. So everything run good, man. Sometimes you can't just throw away something. Just keep pinching, putting little parts on it. It's yours. It's yours. It's paid for. You just invest a little money in it, man. It'll run. The video over, y'all.